In the grand scheme of life, the heart reigns supreme as the engine that keeps the wheels of our existence turning. Without it, the vitality of life would cease to exist. Today, the spotlight shines on 6 remarkable teas known to cleanse arteries, thwart heart attacks, and reduce blood pressure. 1. Meet green tea, a heart's best friend. Boasting a rich profile of antioxidants, this leafy brew helps to reduce bad cholesterol levels, keeping the arteries clean and happy. Green tea also promotes heart health by lowering blood pressure and preventing the formation of blood clots. 2. Say hello to Hibiscus Tea. This vibrant ruby-red infusion is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for the heart. Its potent properties help to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Plus, with its high antioxidant content, hibiscus tea serves as a natural sweep, cleaning the arteries of harmful LDL cholesterol. 3. Step into the world of black tea. This robust brew, when consumed regularly, can help reduce the risk of developing heart diseases. Its secret lies in the flavonoids it contains, which improve heart health by reducing blood clots and bad cholesterol levels. 4. Welcome the soothing chamomile tea. Known for its calming effects, this herbal infusion doesn't stop at promoting good sleep. It also works wonders for heart health. Chamomile tea aids in reducing high blood pressure and LDL cholesterol levels, making it a great ally in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. 5. Delve into the realm of Oolong Tea. This traditional Chinese tea is a heart hero in disguise. It can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, Oolong Tea aids in maintaining a healthy blood pressure, making it an excellent choice for heart health. 6. Last but not least, embrace the power of Rooibos tea. This South African brew is rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect the heart. Rooibos tea is known to reduce blood pressure and promote good cholesterol levels, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. In conclusion, the path to a healthy heart may be as simple as brewing a comforting cup of tea. From green to Rooibos, each tea offers unique benefits that help keep the heart ticking with robust health. So consider incorporating these wonderful infusions into your daily routine. After all, a heart that's cared for, cares back in return, fueling the vitality of life.